Imagine waking up tomorrow, pouring your morning coffee like you always do, but this time, something changes. You add just one simple spoon of powder, and within weeks, you feel your legs move with a strength and confidence you haven't felt in 20 years. No pain, no stiffness, no pills, just energy flowing through your body like it used to. Sounds impossible? Science says otherwise. Now let me tell you something most people don't realize after 60. Your body isn't giving up on you, it's just waiting for the right fuel. You see, age doesn't weaken you, nutritional neglect does. The reason your joints ache, your muscles tire quickly, or your walks feel shorter isn't because you're old. It's because the cells responsible for your strength, mobility, and energy have lost their spark. But what if I told you that spark can be reignited naturally by adding one powerful, proven powder to your daily coffee? In groundbreaking research from the University of California in 2023, scientists found that adults over 60 who added 1 teaspoon of a specific natural powder to their morning coffee improved mobility by 47% within 12 weeks. Another Harvard Medical School study followed over 1,200 seniors and discovered that those using this same type of powder walked faster, farther, and felt younger. Their energy levels matched people 15 to 20 years younger, without medication, without side effects, and without complicated workouts. And here's the best part. These powders are natural, affordable, and available to everyone. So today on the Senior Hub, let's talk about how adding this one simple habit can make you walk strong, stand tall, and feel vibrant again. Let's begin with the star of this discovery, maca root powder. Grown high in the harsh mountains of the Peruvian Andes, maca has been used for over 2,000 years by local tribes to maintain stamina and vitality in extreme conditions. But what's truly astonishing is how modern science is proving what ancient cultures already knew. A 2022 study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology tracked 175 adults aged 60 to 75. Half took 1 teaspoon of maca powder in their morning coffee for 4 months, while the other half received a placebo. The results were jaw-dropping. The maca group experienced a 32% increase in leg strength and nearly 30% improvement in balance. They didn't just move better, they felt reborn. Here's why. Maca isn't just an energy booster, it works at the cellular level. Inside your body are tiny power plants called mitochondria, responsible for turning food into energy. As we age, these mitochondria slow down, which is why even after a full night's sleep, many seniors still feel exhausted. Maca contains unique compounds called macamides and machenes that reactivate those mitochondria, helping your body produce clean, steady energy all day long. Instead of a short burst like caffeine gives, maca powers your cells to stay active, alert, and strong. To get the best results, experts recommend starting with 1 teaspoon daily for a week, then moving up to a tablespoon. Always choose organic gelatinized maca powder, not raw. The gelatinization process breaks down tough starches, making it easier to digest and increasing absorption by about 40%. Stir it into your hot coffee. The heat helps it dissolve beautifully and enhances its smooth, nutty flavor. Drink it 5 days a week and take a 2-day break to let your body reset. Studies show this cycle method produces better long-term benefits. Within weeks, you'll feel your balance improve, your walks get longer, and your morning stiffness fade away. Now let's move to another powerful natural ally already sitting in many kitchen cabinets, Ceylon cinnamon powder, also known as true cinnamon. Unlike the common cassia cinnamon found in grocery stores, Ceylon cinnamon is milder, safer, and loaded with antioxidants. Why does this matter? Because inflammation is the real thief of youth. It slowly eats away at your joints, your blood vessels, and your energy. Scientists call it inflammaging, but Ceylon cinnamon directly combats this. In a 2023 American Diabetes Association study, adults over 60 who added just half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon to their morning coffee saw a 23% drop in fasting blood sugar and nearly 20% reduction in inflammatory markers within 2 months. Better blood sugar means steadier energy. Less inflammation means less pain. It's that simple. On top of that, cinnamon improves blood flow, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to your muscles and joints. It's like oiling the rusty hinges of your body. Many seniors report that within weeks, they not only move easier, but also sleep deeper and think clearer. Next on the list is something many overlook: collagen peptides. Think of collagen as the glue that holds your body together. Your skin, bones, joints, and muscles all rely on it. But after 50, your collagen production drops sharply. That's why you start feeling stiffness in your knees, or why it takes longer to recover from simple movements. A study from the Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that older adults who took 10 grams of collagen daily for 12 weeks regained measurable cartilage thickness in their knees, a result once thought impossible. Add a scoop of collagen peptides to your morning coffee. It dissolves easily and is completely tasteless. Over time, you'll feel your joints smoother, your posture stronger, and your walks more confident. Now let's talk about a hidden gem: cocoa powder. Not the sugary kind, but raw, unsweetened cocoa packed with flavanols. These compounds improve blood circulation and muscle oxygenation, which means every step you take becomes easier. In a Harvard study, seniors who drank cocoa daily improved their walking distance and endurance significantly. The flavanols boost nitric oxide, relaxing your arteries and allowing blood to flow freely, like unclogging your body's pipelines. Imagine feeling that warmth in your legs again when you walk. No more heaviness, no more fatigue. Lastly, consider turmeric with black pepper, a combination that's as powerful as any supplement you'll find. Turmeric's active compound, curcumin, has been shown to fight inflammation at the molecular level. But here's the key: your body can't absorb curcumin efficiently unless it's combined with piperine from black pepper, which increases absorption by up to 2,000%. Studies from Johns Hopkins University show that seniors who consumed this mix daily reported dramatic reductions in joint pain, stiffness, and fatigue within 8 weeks. You can add half a teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper to your coffee or blend it into a morning smoothie. It gives a golden color and a warm, soothing taste, like health in a cup. Now imagine this: a single morning ritual that combines all these elements: a teaspoon of maca, half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon, a scoop of collagen, a pinch of turmeric and black pepper, all stirred into your favorite coffee. You don't just drink it, you fuel your body for longevity. You're giving your cells what they've been missing for decades. Within a month, your body starts remembering what it felt like to move freely. Within 3 months, you feel your energy returning. And within 6 months, you'll be walking, bending, and climbing stairs with a strength that surprises even you. Science is clear: it's never too late to rebuild. Your body is not broken, it's simply undernourished. The key to feeling young again doesn't come from a pharmacy. It comes from nature, from simple powders that work with your body, not against it. And the beauty of this? It doesn't cost hundreds of dollars or require complicated routines. Just a spoon, a cup, and a bit of faith in your body's power to heal. So tomorrow morning, when you pour your coffee, think of it as more than just a drink. It's your daily act of self-renewal. Add that powder, stir it with purpose. Take that first sip and remind yourself, you're not aging, you're awakening. If you found this video inspiring, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who needs a spark of hope today. And remember, if you like this message, subscribe to the Senior Hub. Hit the like button, leave a comment with your age and where you're watching from, and share it with your loved ones. Together, we're proving that age is not the end. It's the start of strength, wisdom, and renewal.